this is Plasma Coiler, and I'm going to show a Lego review. And yeah, here's my cat, Lotus Gallardo, and it's 3 parts. I can put them together now. Oh my god. Maybe it's a little bit hard. Wait, like that maybe? I think. Oh, god damn it! I hate when I do that wrong. Wait, how did I build this set again? Well, like that, and then like that, yeah, and then it's this part. Okay, there. Okay, now I can do a review, and it's like you go here, and if you aren't lucky enough, then some guys here just do like this. Wait. And then it dies. But if you are lucky enough, maybe I can do it with another figure. He is a lot cooler. Galaxy Patrol. And then you kill them or something, and they won't bother you. And here is some rifles you can take, and here is some goodies for him, the white guy clone. And you can go under here, maybe here, and kill someone who is here, like that. And this is actually the nice base, and here you just bomb that or something, and it goes like this. It opens, and when you stand on this red plate here, then the snake comes like that, and he can get eaten or something, but he can kill the snake, and just bomb that room and take the thing and just go. And here is actually, oh god damn it, here is actually a money thing or something. I'll just stop that. Yeah, and when you are finished, you go in this boat. God damn it, why do everything suck? Like that. I can maybe turn the whole base around. And then you can take it off like that. And this boat are detailing. It has this big engine. It has this here, and these 2 pickaxes, and some spiders eating on them, steering wheel, and a gun that you can shoot with, like, oh god damn it. So that is the whole set. Holy shit. And okay, put it on there again. Yeah, so that is the set, and that is all for me, I think. I'm Plasma Color, and approve this message, and goodbye. Look at that beauty. Yeah, goodbye.